What's up, y'all? You know what it do. I'm back with another video. What the fuck is going motherfucking on?
Turn the lights on. One bottle for hands, two bodies, and 3 orgasms. 2 for you, 1 for me. That's all I need.
She came twice, I came last.
For hands, 2 bodies, 3 orgasms.
She came twice, I came last.
Numbers don't lie.
You see? This is Solana, baby. You see? This is Solana, baby. I really do like Solana. You know, I like the curls that she came with and everything. She was just a little bit thinner than I thought she was gonna be, but once she got up in this region, she was really thick, so I didn't mind that. It does have the 13 by 6, but it's really, you only get like maybe 4 inches on the sides up until you get to about here, and then that's when you have your full 5 or 6 inches and 5 or 6 inches this way. Y'all, the hair was really soft. I was able to crimp it, and my crimping iron goes to 400 degrees, and I was able to crimp it. Look at that lace though. What is she doing? Giving, right? Yes, yes. Now, I'm gonna tell y'all, I did accidentally tear the lace in a bunch of places. Like right here, and right up in there. But you can't really tell because of the way I put the unit on, and I'll show you guys how I installed it. However, like, the lace was so thin, like, and that's not a problem. That is not a con. I'm just saying that the lace was thin and I wasn't used to the lace being so thin, and so I tugged hard and ended up with some holes, and so, yeah. But anyways, the joint is popping, let me tell you. I don't exactly know the length of her. It says it's the 13 by 6 ear to ear with 6-inch deep tied hand part. That is right. The hand part is tied, and look. It's really cute. It looks like it's in my skin. Like, it looks like it's coming out my skin. I love this unit. It is well crafted. Yes, very much so. Undetectable, flawless hairline. That is so true. Perfect hairline. It did have baby hair, but I do always push it back. It is pre-customized. So pretty much you'll get, I'll say this is up to your 25-inch wearers. It was really small on my daughter's head, and she's about 25 inches, so I can't even say that a 25-inch head would be able to really wear this unit efficiently unless you did not install a ball cap. So Sensational Honey came through with what lace. This is what lace for real. Like, everybody thinks this unit is mine. I love the length. The length is popping, you know. It's good with this fall color. I got her in burgundy wine, and they do come in a bunch of varieties. You know what I'm saying? This is really super cute. That's pretty much it. You do have a bunch of space. You can do a side part, middle part. I decided to do a side part. And yes, this is Solana. It says it goes up to 400 degrees, but I actually think it goes up a little bit more than that because mine is like 410. My crimping iron is. So, but this is what the crimps look like after a couple days, because I have had her on a couple days. I installed her a couple days ago. I know people be wanting to see what the unit looks like a couple days and what your lace on the sides look like a couple days later and stuff like that, and that's what it looks like. So I wanted to show y'all that. Solana's giving, honey, when you style her yourself. Style her yourself, because she does come with layers, you know what I mean? So style her yourself. Give her what you want her to give, and she will take that and give you life. Look at that. See, like what I'm saying? So if you like videos like this, make sure to do what? Like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all soon. Hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I make new videos. Peace out. Now, let's get into this install, okay? I'm not going to be talking very much, as it's pretty much self-explanatory. I just wanted to let you guys know this is what I had to do step by step. All I did was speed it up on installing my unit. even though I tore my lace. So this is exactly how you do it. You need to be careful. You need to make sure that you're going really slow. Like, this install took a lot longer because of that. The lace will also roll on you. You know what I'm saying? That's what it's doing right here. That's why I'm having to go through and hold it in specific places and just hold it there, let it dry, hold it there, let it dry, keep going back. Because like I said, I tore the lace in that section right here. Exactly is where I tore the lace. And so that's why I'm going through being as gentle as I can, not to tear it completely off so I can wear the unit, but also so that it doesn't look crazy because I've already installed part of it. So do this part very slow. Be very confident. You can do this. It's a little bit harder, but you got this. And remember, go slowly, because you will tear that joint again. You'll be done made a bunch of holes in it because the lace is really thin. And when they say really thin, it is really thin and it looks scrumptious on your skin, okay? So, like I said, go slowly. Use your utensils carefully. Do it part by part. And the video will explain itself. I love y'all. See y'all soon. Enjoy the video. So this is my end results. What lace Can you see lace? Do you see lace? Popping, coming up out my scalp. All I gotta do is clean up my edges and it will be good to go. I wanted to show y'all in raw detail on what it was for me with this install. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for new videos. Peace out.
Two bodies, reorganize.
King twice, I came last.